What's going on, guys? Today we are here for the PS5 unboxing. It is the launch day here in the UK, and for the occasion I'm wearing full PewDiePie merch. Very nice. Today I was going to do it on my usual station, but as the PS5 is so big, I have decided we're going to take it to the floor and do it on the floor. As you can see, it takes up nearly my entire chair. So we are going to take it to the floor. Hopefully there'll be enough room on the floor. We'll see what's in the box and take a view from there. Let's go to the floor. So here we go, guys. We are back on the floor. We're going to start with the box. So it feels quite slippery to the touch. Very similar in the initial, at first glance. The aesthetic's quite similar to the PS4. Well, the box anyway. I do quite like, and I hope you can see it on the camera, they've got like this off-white 5 on the background of the white to distinguish. On this edge of the box, it's got the console and the controller. On the back, it says play like never before, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games, and a bit of a description of each, talking about the CPU and the SSD, deeper gaming, stunning games. On this side, it has the reverse of what I described on the other side. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, I like that. So I don't know if you can see, but it's got the traditional triangle, but it wraps around the edge of the box here. This is in the white and grey again. On this side, it just says PS5, PlayStation 5, and Sony's PlayStation logo. And then back to the front, we have the 8K, 4K 120, and HDR. Picture of the console, picture of the controller, and a little warning at the bottom here. Right, so now I've looked at the outside. Let's go inside. My trusty scissors. Precision surgery here, and we are through. Scissors to one side, careful with the scissors. And we open it up, and the fold opens just like the PS4 box did, as you can see. And then this should fold out as well, if I am correct. And it does, and then we open, voila. So first thing, if you can see in here, it tells you to pull it out like a suitcase or a drawer. So that is what we are about to do. We're going to open it like a drawer. And the box it came, I'm just going to yeet that over there. Oh, I opened a bit at the bottom. There's a flap at the bottom. Careful you don't open that. First bit open. Come on, drawer. What you got for me? So, as we get in there, we get a box. First we get a box. And in this box, what do we have? So we have PlayStation 5 Quick Start Guide. A guarantee. And a safety guide. Safety is paramount, everybody. Safety first. Then this opens up, and in here we have the much anticipated, probably the most impressive bit. Well, if you're looking from a graphic design point of view, it is very impressive, this stand. Whether you like it or not, it is a very impressive solution to turning your PlayStation either way with the shape of it. Below the stand we have one HDMI cable. Very standard looking. Is it branded? No. Bog standard, unbranded HDMI cable. Thought it'd be a Sony one. We close this, and here we have the power lead. Standard 2-pin as the PlayStation 4 was. Put that to one side. Oh, now we're getting to the good stuff. And here we have the legendary DualSense controller. First impressions, very nice and clicky. Ooh, the buttons aren't how I thought they were going to feel. Nice and clicky. And the back here, very cool. Although my eyesight doesn't appear to be good enough to see the triangles and circles that I have heard are on the back of this. So I'm getting blind. Very interesting. I really thought that would be white, but that might be because there is a light behind it, as this is just the unboxing. We don't yet know that. Triggers feel really nice, really nice. The controller feels great in your hand. It feels a bit bigger than the PS4 controller, but not in a bad way. More ergonomic. Look how snugly that is fitting into my hands. Okay, all right, let's not get too carried away. We'll do something else on the controller at a later date. Otherwise I'll be here all day. Last little bit, and here we have cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. That to one side, and we'll just yeet that over there. Right, next, oh, here it is. Here we go. Wow, yeah, I am glad I moved it to the floor. This thing is massive. Here we go. Aww. Aww. Yeet that over there, yeet that over there, and then we unwrap with this stuff that's not even bubble wrap. Looks strange. And here we go, we peel it back. Wow. This thing looks amazing. Let's have a look. So we've got the disk drive here, we have USB-A on the front, USB-C on the front, power button, and the eject button. Not sure I want to touch that. That looks like we're going to get a lot of fingerprints on there. As we turn it round, it's very smooth, very plain on the sides. And on the back we have the power cable, we have the HDMI input, the Ethernet port, so all you people out there that are playing wired, make sure you plug it in there, not here, as I did many times on PS4. Then we have two further USB-A slots on the back here. And then right at the top, that looks like another USB-C. But we'll get to that. We'll get to that. I could be wrong. On the base, here we have where the stand goes in, I believe. This is the little screw port where the stand's going to fit. And so this will sit, voila, like that, I believe. But we'll get to that as well. So let's have a look. Is the famous embossing on the inside? Again, my eyesight must be poor because it feels like it's there, but I can't see it. Oh no, I can, now we're in the light. Wow, that is a lovely little touch. Can we see that? If I bring it a bit closer. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but there's lots of triangles, circles, X's. I know Sony said it's cross, but it's always going to be an X for me. They're embossed on the inside there. That's apparently on the back of the controller. My eyesight isn't good enough to see that. It is a bit of a unit, but if you compared it, I know you should never do this, but if you did compare it to a gaming PC, it's tiny. So take what you like from that. Next, we do have one more thing to unbox today, and that would be the trusty PS5 camera. So looks like they've gone with the same colour scheme here. The box is the same sort of shiny box on the outside. They've followed the same design as they've done on this. The packaging's very nice. It all matches.
The lyrics just match, like.
It's really nice. I mean, look at that. You can tell, therefore, to work with each other. You can tell they are to work with each other, can't you? So, on the packaging, we've got the same square, triangle, X, circle, or cross if you prefer. I prefer X. Compatible hardware, and it's got the PlayStation 5 on the side. On the back it says 1080p HD capture, background removal tools, built-in stand, and that is there. And then on the other side it just says contents in several different languages. That's just there. And then, as I showed you initially on the front, it is just a picture of the camera. Right, where did my scissors go? Never lose the scissors. Scissors. And then we're just going to bit of surgery here. Oh dear. Whoops. Oh. I will try and avoid A&E. I'll try. That's that side done. Let's go the other side. It's like major surgery. It's got to be really careful. Oh, as I said, careful. Real careful. Oh dear. We're kind of in. Are we in? Oh, never point the scissors towards you. This is a safety lesson on scissors. Still got a bit left. I'm trying to be so careful for this, and it's just not going well for me. Ow. As I said, careful with the scissors. These ones are very sharp. Are we in here? Are we in? We're in. We're in! Now we put the scissors away because they're sharp. Right. Here we go. We think. We think. Are we in? Are we in? We're in! Look at that! We're in! Look! It's a miracle! Right, and then we fold this over. Open it up, bit of plastic, we'll just yeet that over there. Nice little tab. Oh, it's like they've been like Sony have been watching Apple's products. Nice little tab just to slide it out. Don't need that. And we open it up. We have a HD camera instruction manual. Very fancy. And then we have, oh, look at that. Nice camera. Whoop, oh, let's not break it before we even started. Camera, all nice. Cellophane over the lenses to keep them clean. And I believe, yes, they have. They have put the same triangle, circle, X and square design on the inside of the camera, which I'm not sure if you can see or not, but it is a lovely little touch. I know you can't see it when the camera's up, and I know it's kind of irrelevant, but I like it, so that's cool. The aesthetic between the two, if you put them together, it is just beautiful, isn't it? It is absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to yeet that over there. I'm not going to yeet that, I'm going to slide that over there. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'd love to stay and chat to you longer, but it's PS5 launch day. My PS5's here. I've now unboxed it. So I'm going to go play. I hope to catch you soon with a quick review. Thanks guys.